Namaste Radiance, Pushro Vidya. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is very important parameter for the research methodology. This topic belongs to the research methodology and biostats for the B.Pharm 8th semester student. Now we come to the definition of the hypothesis. It is a statement about one or more population. It is usually concerned with the parameters of the population. Example, the hospital administrator may want to test the hypothesis that the average length of stay of patients admitted to the hospital is 5 days. Now we come to the definition of statistical hypothesis. They are hypotheses that are started in such a way that they may be evaluated by appropriate statistical technique. There are two hypotheses involved in hypothesis testing. First one is null hypothesis, H naught. It is the hypothesis to be tested. Alternative hypothesis, HA. It is a statement of what we believe is true if our sample data cause us to reject the null hypothesis. The level of significance alpha is a probability, and in fact the probability of the rejecting a true null hypothesis. Condition of null hypothesis: fail to reject H naught, correct action, and type 2 error. Reject H naught, type 1 error, and correct action. If H naught is rejected, we conclude that HA is true. If H naught is not rejected, we conclude that H naught may be true. Testing a hypothesis about the mean of a population, we have following steps. First one is data and assumptions. Data determine variable sample size and sample mean and population standard deviation or sample standard deviation is unknown. Assumption, we have two cases. Case 1, population is normally approximately normally distributed with none of unknown variance. Sample size n may be small or large. Case 2, population is not normal with none of unknown variance. Hypothesis, we have three cases. Case 1, H naught mu is equal to mu naught and HA mu is not equal to the mu. Example, we want to test that the population mean is different than 50. Case 2, H naught mu is equal to mu naught, HA mu is greater than mu naught. Example, we want to test that the population mean is greater than 50, and now we come to the case 3rd. H naught mu is equal to mu naught and HA is equal to mu naught is less than mu naught. Example, we want to test that the population mean is less than 50. Now we come to the testing hypothesis for the mean mu. When the value of sample size n is divided into two parts, first one is population is normal or not normal, and second one is population is normal. Population is normal or not normal is divided into two parts. Sigma is known and sigma is unknown. And population is normal is divided into two parts. Sigma is known and sigma is not unknown. So test procedure hypothesis, according to the calculation, Z is equal to x bar and mu minus mu naught upon sigma slash under root n. So different graphs for the test procedure for the hypothesis, and critical value Z alpha upon 2 and minus Z alpha upon 2. Test static, find out by the same formula. T is equal to x bar minus mu naught upon s by under root n. So now we come to the use of the p-value in decision definition making. Note, using p-value is decision tool. P-value is the smallest value of alpha for which we can reject the null hypothesis H naught. Calculating p-value depend on the alternative hypothesis HA. Suppose that JC x bar minus mu naught upon sigma by under root n is the computed value of the test statics. The following table illustrated how to compute p-value and how to use p-value for testing the null hypothesis. Example, for the previous example, we have found that the JC x bar minus mu bar upon sigma upon under root n is equal to 2.02. The alternative hypothesis is HA mu is greater than 70. The level of significance was alpha is equal to 0.05. Now we come to the decision. If we reject H naught, we can conclude that HA is true. If, however, we do not reject H naught, we may conclude that H naught is true. An alternative decision rule using the p-value definition, the p-value is defined as the smallest value of alpha for which the null hypothesis can be rejected. This is the complete protocol for this session. This session is completed and powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. So namaste students, and thank you for the listening.